Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get 12 months of PlayStation Plus Premium for free. No credit card is needed, and I'm going to show you how to unlock the full premium version with all features. This is 100% verified, and you're going to love it. Let me show you that it works before we dive into the steps. I'm on the PlayStation Store right now, and I've added the PlayStation Plus Premium 12-month subscription to my cart. As you can see, the price here is $189 for me in Canada. But this code works globally. It's available no matter where you are. Now, let me show you that the code really works. Watch this. Here I'm entering the 15-digit code, hitting Apply, and just like that, the code has been accepted. My subscription is now active for the next year. It's that simple. Now that you've seen it works, let me show you how to get your very own PlayStation Plus Premium subscription code for free. All you need is a smartphone, Android or iOS. It doesn't matter. First, open your browser and go to FundsZap. That's FUNDSZAP. This site is an amazing resource for game codes, promo codes, and discounts. They update frequently, so check back regularly to grab codes before they run out. Once you're on the site, search for PlayStation Plus. You'll find both 3-month and 12-month subscription options. I recommend going for the 12-month option as it gives you a whole year for free, and you don't want to miss out on that. After you've selected the 12-month subscription, scroll down and you'll see a button that says Unlock Code. It won't show the code immediately, but we're going to get to that in a second. To unlock your code, you just need to complete a few simple tasks. These tasks are super easy, and they can be done in just a few minutes. All you need to do is follow the instructions provided on FundsZap. Once you complete the tasks, whether it's interacting with an app or meeting certain criteria, head back to FundsZap and click the Unlock Code button. These tasks vary slightly, but they're all quick and simple. Once you've finished, the code will be revealed. Remember, these tasks are straightforward and don't take long to complete. Now that you've unlocked your 15-digit code, it's time to redeem it. Copy the code and head back to the PlayStation Store. Paste it in the Redeem Code section during checkout. If you're having trouble and the code doesn't work, don't worry. Double-check the tasks you've completed to ensure all requirements were met. Sometimes it's easy to miss a step, but it's a quick fix. And there you go. You now have 12 months of PlayStation Plus Premium completely free of charge. It's really that easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!